Oh, fellas. Favorite floof bowl. I got my first truck. Gonna be getting my first learner's license coming towards the end of October. But here's what we are here for today. First cold start of my snowblower for 2016. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, there we go. Now the thing hasn't, I already told you, it hasn't started in a year or two. The gas tank was bone dry. Oh shit. I need a new tripod as well. New tripod, new piece, new this, new that. Almost got it. There you go. Anyway, this thing has been serviced already. Needed a new carburetor. Thing is dusty, it's been sitting. It's been sitting idle for... Okay, enough of my noise. Check the oil. Clean. Considering it's only used for so much. It's on the choke. Alright. Open it up. Just a bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, before you... I'm pretty sure you guys will want to see the smoke show that would probably come out of this. Right. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Let's see. Choke. Neil. If you're wondering, this is an 11.50 horsepower, 4-stroke Briggs & Stratton engine. 250 cc, so that's a monster. Something says that camera's sliding. No. Oh, yeah. Right. Wow, Neil. Capture. Oh God! Come on, you. Stay alive. All right. Well, it's trying. One down. All right. Insert shake. There. Hey. Hey, my assistant over here. You want to hold the thing down. continue. Right. Yeah. Push down. All the way. Yeah. Okay, you can stop that. That sounds horrible. Expect it to run like this for a little bit. There we go. Smooth it out a little bit. It operates, drives. Hard to drive and operate at the same time. Look at the chuck of that. It's either choke or stall. Alright. I think that's good. Alright. For the final show of everything, it's the inside. Ain't that nice? Look at that. It is a low mileage engine. Small block V6. Someone's chugging again. Woo. That's smog. Alright. Alright. I think that's enough for today. Well, I know it runs. Alright. Laters. Sorry for the delay, but shit had to be done. Alright. Till next time, this is Tails Black. Have fun up there.